Welcome again, Myers Technology. I'm going to show you some of the builds we got going in our shop now. This is a Mata 1200 vertical plate saw we're rebuilding on contract for a customer. We found some problems in the gearbox. We're going to take that apart. We're getting some new bearings for that. Got a lot of other parts, but whatever they need. Here is an Mata HA250. And this one here is almost done. This is being reassembled at this point. You can see the gearbox, the worm and worm wheel have been taken out. The vari-drive unit has been taken apart. Parts are being made, fixed. Cover is on it. Over here we have an Mata HFA 330. This is a 12-inch programmable saw. You can get an idea of some of what we take apart. A lot more will be taken off of this. The vices always come off of them. There's a ton of dirt down in here. Over here we have a little Dual 916. This one here is before and after. The shaft was bad. You can see it was worn down here and here. And somebody had taken the shaft and moved it thinking that would be a better fit. Didn't work, so we made a new one from scratch. That'll be all calibrated when it's done. All the parts for that are on this shelf. This is a Dual C4100NC. This is a 16-inch capacity machine. You have a shelf for the parts there, which is pretty empty because most of them are back on it. Behind that, we have a Marvel number 8 Mark II, waiting on parts, partially assembled, all new belts, clutch, bearings. Over here we have a Hardinge HLVH, English threading machine. Put new spindle bearings in it, and I don't know, gib, other things. That'll be as accurate as new again. Each machine has its own shelf with the parts. There's the Marvel parts, and goes through that. And then once it's fully assembled and repainted, it'll go through a whole recalibration process. Over here on the other side of the shop, we have another Marvel, another Mata. And once again, you can see the gearbox is off, the vices were taken off. This is painted today, and the reassembly process will start. That's actually a customer's machine. Over here you can see some of the cores or machines ready to go we have that can be rebuilt, repaired. What level do you need? Here's an Mata CTB 400 CNC bandsaw. And we have Hydmex, Marvels, Mata, Hems. Thanks for viewing.